Do you want to know how you can rate ideas on Midjourney? If yes, then this is the video for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can rate the ideas done by other artists or other people on Midjourney. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Midjourney. Click on the official link of Midjourney, log into your account. On the left hand side you can see Rate Ideas. Go ahead and click on it and you can see that this is some of the ideas which you can submit and you can rate. So you can see there is Submit Ideas, Assign Points and Leaderboard. Now if you want to submit ideas, click on Submit Ideas. You can see you can tell them about what you think about Midjourney and should do to help us prioritize. So you can give some of the ideas like the interface needs to be more animated or something like this, and you can click submit and you can see that you will submit or rate some of the ideas which will help other artwork users and other people. So this is how you rate ideas on Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.